to our Project Party channel, and today we're talking about foil balloons. So we're going to teach you how to inflate them and also how to deflate them so that you can reuse them later on. Foil balloons are the best thing in town, guys. Any party that you're going to, anywhere, trust me, there will be some kind of foil balloon. Either it might be a shape of alphabet, digit, heart, star, big, small. Trust me, they will be there. So guys, there are two ways of inflating your foil balloon. One with an air pump, other with a straw. So the air pump might cost you a little, but it is super time efficient and super easy to do. But if you're using a straw, yes, it will be free basically, but it will be a little difficult to do. So that is why we're going to be focusing on how to use a straw and leaving our air pump behind. Moving on to our foil balloon. So we're going to take it out of its packaging and we're going to place it flat on the table. We're going to start looking for an insertion point. So basically an insertion point is where you will put your straw and start inflating the foil balloon. It is usually marked with the color. Right here, if you can see, it's marked with the red color and it's in a small circle right here. This small circle is covered with half of a plastic, and that is where we're going to insert our straw under the plastic, like so. And then we're going to start blowing it up slowly and steadily, just like that. Cool. So it's slowly filling up through the air that I'm blowing in. So here you go, guys, your foil balloon all sealed up. You don't need to seal it up, you don't need to put any tape right here. It seals itself, it's self-sealable and ready to go. So now we're going to focus on how to deflate it so that you can reuse it, right? We're going to put it back down like we inflated it. The straw goes back into where we inflated it from, all the way in, right? And then slowly you'll start feeling the air is already flowing out. You're going to press gently onto your foil balloon so that you can aid the air to go out super slow. Be gentle with your foil balloon so that it doesn't pop. Yep, just like that. So guys, here you go. Super simple, super easy. You can just fold it back in, put it back in your packaging, and it is ready to go, ready to be used again. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it fun. Do let us know what kind of videos you would like to see next. Any tutorial, anything you like, let us know in the comment section down below. Finally, don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you guys later. Bye bye.